Okay, hi guys, welcome to Math 12, which is really weird. I know this is strange. It's strange for me too, having to talk to nobody. So I don't know what exactly I'm going to do with you right now. You were supposed to have a test tomorrow, well, today, because this is Tuesday morning. I'm actually weird. Anyway, I'm weird. This was actually supposed to be a test day, but we're not doing that. We're going to move the test till Thursday. I sent a message. I'm hoping you got that. That we're going to move the test to Thursday. So that test is on section 5.7, just section 5.7. So I'm trying to work all this out. This is such a weird scenario. How I think I'm going to have to try, we're just going to have to try, guys. I don't know. What we're going to do is everybody go to Google Hangouts. If you haven't already been there, please go and make sure that you can get there and that I've got you as part of the right group and all that stuff. I've been doing a lot of work today, so who knows what I did. So on Thursday morning at the regular time for your class, so if you're planning on sleeping in, not Thursday morning, okay? So at 10 to 10, 9:50, regular class time. You're going to go to Google Hangouts and open up your Google Classroom. I am going to upload the test in like a document, a Google Docs. I'm going to load that up onto Google Classroom. You can print it if you want, but you don't have to. But you do have to answer the questions. You will have until 11 o'clock because that's when class would be over. And I don't know whether another teacher is requiring you to be doing something at 11 o'clock. So at 11 o'clock or before, if you finish before, you need to get your answers to me. So my preferred method would be if you have a printer that has a scanner in it, is that you scan the answers and send them to me that way. Because it's going to be more legible, it's going to be easier to read. Reading it off a photo is going to be more difficult. So the other option is to take a photo with your phone or whatever device you have. But you have to make sure when you take that photo that I can actually read it. And then I will print them off and mark them here. So please just make sure that if you're going to take a photo that I can actually read it, like look at it before you send it. Don't just take a quick photo and send it. Actually look at it before you send it to me. So there'll be a little bit of grace time there as you try and get it uploaded, try and scan it. Like I get it, but at least like in Google Hangouts, you can tell me I'm done, I'm just trying to scan it, or I'm just trying to send it to you. Because you really only have until 12. You can't sit and 11, sorry, not 12. You can't sit and hang on to it for 2 or 3 hours because there needs to be a time limit on it, like there's a time limit on it at school. So we're going to do that on Thursday. And then I said we were going to do a unit test on sections 5.5, 5.6, and 5.7. I would rather not do that online. That's a big test to do online. So we're going to leave that for now until hopefully, like this will all be over in 2 weeks and we can do it when we get back to school. So that's my prayer, that's my hope. If it's not over, we'll have to make some kind of decision on what to do, but I'm not going to make that decision until I have to. So after we're done this test, we're going to move on. It's a totally different topic, so you're not going to get it confused, but that's what we're going to do. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just really quickly go over, sorry if this is shaking, my cat is trying to get into the cupboard that the video camera is sitting on. Interesting. Little things, who knew was going to happen when I did this. So yeah, I'm going to do just a quick review on what you need to know. And then if you have any questions, you can contact me either through email on Google Classroom or Google Hangouts. You got 3 ways to get in contact with me with any questions that you have. And Wednesday, I will try and answer those questions this way. So that means you need to really send me your questions before 3 o'clock tomorrow so that I can have time to make a video on the answers. If you're not sure where to go, there's a review at the end of the chapter. Do the ones for section 5.7, obviously. Also, do the questions that pertain to section 5.7 on your assignment, because you do have your assignment to do. If nobody has any questions and everybody's okay, then likely Wednesday, when you look at Google Classroom, it will just say work on your assignments and study for your test, and that's all you'll have to do. On days where there's actual questions that I assign you, you will have to do them, and I'm going to try to do this. We'll see how it goes. I would like before 3 o'clock for you to upload your attempt at those questions, so that, again, at that point, if there's questions, I can be making videos or answering those questions and getting that ready for the next day. I think I've talked enough. Are you tired of hearing my voice yet? I am. So that's how that's going to work. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me. So your test is going to be on solving, I can't think of the word, radical functions. Sorry. It's late at night. I'm tired. So you may have to do just a simple graphing one. So if f at x was the square root of x plus 2, that is a radical graph. That is a square root graph that has been moved to the left 2. So 1, 2. And so it would look something like that. You'll have to give me domain and range. These ones are not going to be fancy. And then you'll have to do equations, some with just one radical, some with more than one radical sign. Remember, if there's more than one radical sign, you want to get one radical on one side of the equals, the other radical on the other side of the equals. Don't try and solve it with two radicals on the same side of the equals. It doesn't work well. And you should come up with answers like x is equal to this or x is equal to that. And don't forget to be testing your answers because there could be extraneous roots. And then you'll be doing inequalities, so greater than or less than ones. Again, you should have some on your assignment, or you can go to the review at the end of the chapter. Either one will work. And then, of course, there is the mother lode of questions. I guarantee you there will be one there where it combines both a fraction and a radical. I guarantee one will be there, so please be going over that. If that's one that you want me to go over in a video, then please let me know that before 3 o'clock tomorrow. I really don't have to do a whole lot. I'm not going to do a whole lot on the whiteboard today because I'm not teaching a lesson. I just really wanted to update you on what was happening and kind of what my plans were over the next little bit. And if you have any questions, please contact me. So tomorrow, no, today, sorry, I'm recording this Monday night, I'm posting it Tuesday. So Tuesday, your homework is really to review or work on your assignment, have any questions ready by 3 o'clock so that I can then make a video if I need to. If I don't need to, then the next day will be work on your assignment as well, and you'll have a test on Thursday. And I'll put this in the Google Classroom, and I'll probably make another video tomorrow. On Thursday, you have to be in class at 10 to 10. That means you have to have logged into Google Hangouts and then log into the Google Classroom because I'm going to be uploading the test. Okay? So thanks, and sorry this is weird. Talk to you later.